जय माता जी एवरीवन। या देवी सर्वभूतेषु शक्तिरूपेण संस्थिता नमस्तस्यै 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 नमो नमः नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः नमस्तस्यै नमो नमः। इस श्लोक का अर्थ है, जो देवी सब प्राणियों में शक्ति रूप में स्थित है उनको नमस्कार नमस्कार बारंबार नमस्कार है।
Now we have already seen lunar eclipse. Let us see how we can perform an activity on lunar eclipse. Okay, for that here the diagram is shown. The things required will be a tennis ball, a basketball and table lamp. You will need these three things. Okay, what we can do is take a powerful lamp and place it on a table. आपको एक लैम्प लेना है और टेबल पे रखना है और उसको हम क्या कंसिडर करेंगे, उसको हम सन कंसिडर करेंगे. ओके, देन you need to take a basketball and place it on a stand as shown in the diagram. One lamp you have to take, that you have to place it on one table, and one basketball you have to take, that you have to place it on a stand on another table. Okay, and we will consider table lamp as sun and we will consider basketball as earth. Okay, now tie a tennis ball with the help of a string and hold it behind the basketball as shown. Now you have to take a tennis ball और उसको string से attach करना है and hold it. Okay, basketball की line में आए, बस behind the basketball ऐसे आपको उसको string से hold करना है. Okay, now the table lamp represents the sun, basketball represents the earth and tennis ball represents the moon. ओके, टेनिस बॉल को आपको मून कंसिडर करना है. ओके, सो हमने क्या किया, अर्थ सन मून तीनों को एक लाइन में रखा. ओके, हाउ दैट अर्थ कम्स इन बिटवीन मून एंड सन. नाउ मूव द टेनिस बॉल अराउंड द बास्केटबॉल. जैसे मून रिवॉल्व करता है अर्थ के अराउंड, वैसे ही हमें क्या करना है, टेनिस बॉल को बास्केटबॉल के अराउंड मूव करना है. सो यू विल ऑब्जर्व दैट the tennis ball comes to lie in the shadow of the basketball. So हमें कैसे दिखेगा, that basketball का tennis ball का shadow पड़ेगा basketball पे. This is the position in which lunar eclipse occurs. Thus the activity shows a lunar eclipse. Okay, so आपको ऐसे lunar eclipse दिखाई देगा कि when earth comes in between the sun and the moon, तो basketball का जो शेडो है वो मून पे टेनिस बॉल का शेडो पड़ेगा. ओके, तो व्हाट विल हैपन, दिस सिचुएशन एंड दिस पोजीशन इज कॉल्ड lunar eclipse. So you can try to see how the shadow falls by trying this activity at your home. All the things can be easily available and you can see how it happens. So this was lunar eclipse. Okay, now let us see an activity on solar eclipse. For that the things required are same only. Okay, हमने जो lunar eclipse के लिए activity की वही things हमें solar eclipse के लिए भी चाहिए. लेकिन solar eclipse क्या है, solar eclipse occurs when moon comes in between the sun and the earth, and lunar eclipse is when earth comes in between sun and moon, right? So इसमें आपको क्या करना है, you have to take the same things. Put a table lamp on a table, then you have to take a basketball on a stand. You have to consider table lamp as sun, it will give light. Okay, and you have to consider basketball as earth. Now similar way you have to take a tennis ball, you have to attach it with a string and hang it in such a way that the tennis ball comes in a line with the basketball. Okay, now what you have to do, you have to move the tennis ball around the basketball like the moon revolves around the earth. Okay, so what you will observe, you will observe that the tennis ball cast its shadow on the basketball. Moon अपना shadow बनाएगा earth पे, and this is how a solar eclipse occurs. Okay, on solar eclipse we won't be able to see the sun because moon comes in between the sun and the earth, and moon will cast its shadow on the earth. So this is the activity of solar eclipse. Okay, solar eclipse and lunar eclipse activity both are almost similar. The only change is here you have to keep tennis ball in between, and in lunar eclipse activity you have to keep basketball in between. So you will get to see the difference between solar eclipse and lunar eclipse. Okay, now in your textbook it is given time to answer, so let us see that. Okay, so let us see the filling the blanks. First one is, during dash eclipse the moon comes between the sun and the earth. So we have seen that just now, we have seen the activity during the solar eclipse, moon comes in between sun and the earth. So the answer is solar. Okay, second one, in the eclipse of dash earth comes between dash and dash. We have seen that earth जब भी बीच में आता है it is lunar eclipse, and it comes in between sun and moon. So the answer is lunar, sun and moon. Third one, an eclipse is a dash. So we know that eclipse is the shadow, right? So the third answer is shadow. Fourth one, solar eclipse takes place on a dash. We know that solar eclipse occurs on a new moon day. Okay, on new moon day we don't see a sun, and we don't the moon comes in between. So solar eclipse takes place on a new moon day. Now let us see artificial satellites. Artificial satellites are man-made objects sent into the space by scientists. Okay, we know that there is only one natural satellite of earth, that is moon. So the other satellites that are being sent are man-made, and they are called artificial satellites. And these satellites are launched by the powerful rockets. Okay, if we need to send any satellite into the space, we can send it only with the help of rockets in order to overcome the gravity of the earth, right? Now the first man-made satellite launched was Sputnik 1 by Russian scientists. These satellites are put into the space by rockets to orbit around the earth. The earth has many artificial satellites of its own that revolve around it. Moon is only one, but that is the natural satellite, but we have sent so many artificial satellites to revolve around the earth. Sputnik 1 was launched in 1957 by USSR. Bhaskara, Rohini, Apple, INSAT 1A, INSAT 1B, IRS-1B are some of the other satellites that were launched by India. ये सब जो name है Rohini, Apple, INSAT, IRS, these all satellites were launched by India. And the first Indian satellite to be launched in 1975 was Aryabhat. Okay, Aryabhat was the first Indian satellite launched in 1975. This is the satellite Aryabhat. Weather satellite. Now the uses of artificial satellite. Okay, artificial satellite हमें बहुत सारे पर्पस के लिए हेल्प करते हैं, जैसे कि वेदर फोरकास्टिंग, कम्युनिकेशन पर्पस, एस्ट्रोनॉमिकल पर्पस, एजुकेशनल पर्पस, नेविगेशनल पर्पस एंड other scientific researches. Okay, so weather satellite, what weather satellite does, it takes the pictures of cloud movements and help to forecast weather. जो भी न्यूज़ चैनल्स में दिखाते हैं कि 4 to 5 days हैवी रेन आएगी, तो how we are able to know? We are able to know this by the movement of clouds. And who will capture this? The weather satellites that we have sent to revolve around the earth will capture the information about the clouds, and we will get to know on how much days the rain will come. So people are warned in advance. हमें पहले से इस साइक्लोन के बारे में, स्टॉर्म के बारे में we are warned. So this information we are able to get with the help of the artificial satellite, which is weather satellite. Pictures of the earth taken by the weather satellite can also help to spot the problems like forest fire, floods और glaciers. फ्लड आने वाला हो उसकी भी इंफॉर्मेशन हमें पहले से दे देता है. इफ देयर इज एनी फॉरेस्ट फायर इन एनी रीजन, देन ऑल दिस इंफॉर्मेशन आर गिवन टू अस बाय द weather satellites. Communication satellite help people all over the world to talk to each other. Okay, communication satellite क्या करता है? It helps to talk to each other. Okay, we know that now we are using the set-top boxes for television, right? And for communication purposes now all over the world the communication satellites are used. Artificial satellite gives us information about स्पेस. स्पेस के बारे में जो भी है कि हमें पता चलता है कि मेटेओराइट अगर क्रैश होने वाला है कि कितने डेज के बाद हमें कोई प्लैनेट विजिबल होने वाला है, एंड व्हाट ऑल थिंग्स आर हैपनिंग इन आवर स्पेस. ऑल दिस इंफॉर्मेशंस आर आल्सो कलेक्टेड बाय आर्टिफिशियल सैटेलाइट. Artificial satellite help astronomers and scientists to know more about stars and planets, and they help in the research. Whatever research is going on in space, so they give information to the astronomers so that we can get to know more and more about our space and galaxy and planets and stars. Now the difference between artificial satellite and natural satellite. So satellites are immediately visualize the earth, taking photos, analyzing and processing comprehensive data. These devices are called satellite because they orbit around the earth and are dependent on its gravitational pull to maintain the function in space. So this was what the satellite is. Okay, scientists, these are built on earth. Since they are built on earth and are placed into the orbit by the humans, they are called artificial satellite. humans बनाते हैं इसलिए हम उसको artificial satellite बोलते हैं. To maintain the position in solar system, earth rotates around the sun, making it natural satellite of the sun. सन का जो नेचुरल सैटेलाइट है वो है अर्थ, बिकॉज अर्थ कंटिन्यूसली रिवॉल्व करता है सन के अराउंड. सो जो अर्थ है वो सन का नेचुरल सैटेलाइट हुआ. लाइकवाइज मून डिपेंड्स ऑन अर्थ फॉर इट्स प्लेस इन द सोलर. लाइकवाइज सो मून इज कॉल्ड द सैटेलाइट ऑफ द अर्थ बिकॉज मून अर्थ के अराउंड रिवॉल्व करता है. सो मून हुआ अर्थ का सैटेलाइट एंड अर्थ हुआ सन का नेचुरल सैटेलाइट. And other uses of artificial satellites are global communication, television broadcasting, weather forecasting. Okay, satellites are sent into the space through a rocket or space shuttle. Now how can we find our location anywhere on the world? By the artificial satellite, right? The global positioning system जो हम GPS अभी यूज़ करते हैं, that is nothing but the artificial satellite जो हमें पोजीशन दिखाता है कोई भी प्लेस की. ओके, तो दिस ऑल थिंग्स आर हैपनिंग जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ द हेल्प ऑफ आर्टिफिशियल सैटेलाइट.